Present our lab report of the class research. Our project consists to shoot a cannon using gunpowder. Our team members are Santiago Rodriguez, Nicolás Forero, Luis Enrique Santos, and me, Juan Felipe Beltrán Pulido. This is our first laboratory, and his name is Cannon. Our keywords are compound, inorganic compounds, cannon, parabolic movement, combustion, and gunpowder. The main objective was to determine if the cannon was useful and if the cannon can shoot. And like a secondary objective is to know what happened with the cannon, if it shoots or if not shoots, and why not shoot, why it shoot but the ball goes like slower, and all of that facts that can affect like the shoot of the cannon.
Potential energy is the energy that is associated with the location of a body with a force field. The kinetic energy is the energy that get a body because it movement. Alchemy is a practice that uses elements of the chemistry, metallurgy, and physics to transform or to transmute the elements into gold. Combustion can be understood of any chemical reaction
Sí.
relatively fast of any exothermic nature reaction.
Okay guys, so this is the procedure to build up the cannon. Firstly, we need to make the mixture of 50 grams of gunpowder. So we mixed up 70% of that 50 grams of potassium nitrate, 15 grams of carbon, and 10% of sulfur. Secondly, to make up the igniter, we needed to take a rope and put it some glue and mix it with some gunpowder. And thirdly, to build up the cannon, we take out a PVC tube and a piece of cardboard. So with the PVC tube we made up the cannon, and with the cardboard we built up the base. And finally, to make up the projectile, we used a little ball, a softball, this ball, I don't got it here, to make up the projectile. This little ball that was bought in a Dollar City.
Our hypotheses were, first, that the cannon would work, and secondly, that the projectile will not reach a too far distance. Curiously, the two hypotheses were right. First, the cannon worked. The first two attempts don't work. Sorry, but the third attempt worked. And for the second hypothesis, yes, the projectile not reach a too far distance. It's like 10 centimeters.
Juanfita, pelo de allá.
¡Oh!
¡Sí!
¡Oh, qué emoción la ciencia!
Hacer hueco, claro. Yo.
No, ya me voy.
Grabó.
Graba la pelota, ¿cómo quedó? Acá está. Sí, ahí se ve, ahí fresco.
For conclusion, our cannon did shoot. The thing is that in the first two attempts, we tried to use the fuse with it, but in both times, the fuse didn't work properly. This means that we were just burning paper and not the gunpowder in the fuse. And even if it burned, our hole was very narrow, so fire wouldn't go into the gunpowder chamber. When the cannon actually shoot, we saw that the energy of the force in the chemical reaction was going in two directions, first upwards in the hole of the fuse and leftwards in the direction of the cannon. It seems that the reaction loses its potential power when all the smoke was going through the hole of the fuse, even though we at least get the force to push our projectile a few centimeters.